Hello and welcome. Bill Naylor here. Today we're going to walk through how to use ChatGPT to help create presentations quickly and efficiently. So, what is ChatGPT? It is a large language model developed by OpenAI designed to generate human-like text responses in a conversational way. How did I come by this description? No, I didn't Google it. I went to ChatGPT and I asked it this question. It really is as simple as that, and kind of fascinating. So why use this? Well, several reasons. One, it can greatly improve your productivity. It's easy and fun to use. Currently it's free to use, or at least there is a free version. I'm using 3.5. And you can use it in conjunction with your other productivity apps to speed up your workflow. That's really the key. So how do you access it? It's a browser-based interface. You just go to this website. My voice is failing me today, so I'm going to turn this over to my AI narrator, Tony. Tony, you there?
Yes, I'm here, Bill. Now recall that we said this is a conversational model, so that means we simply have to ask for some result. Like, for example, make a list, or create an outline, etc. How you ask can make a big difference, so let's take a moment to talk about limitations. Keep these things in mind before relying on any results from ChatGPT. For one thing, there are no real-time updates beyond September 2021, so current events after that point are not available. Also, it has a limited understanding of context. But don't we all? There are, of course, occasional inaccuracies. But hey, even AIs aren't perfect. Another thing you may notice is a tendency to generate plausible-sounding but incorrect answers. It is sensitive to how input is worded, so you may have to try a few different ways to get the result you want. And sometimes it gives you oddly verbose responses. For more information, check the current site for updates. Okay, now for the fun stuff. The process we will follow is this. Ask to create steps or an outline for some subject. Paste the results into Word to help with formatting for our slides, editing, etc. Save as an RTF file. Now in PowerPoint, create a new presentation, choose a design, and create your title page. We will then import the outline into PowerPoint. That's it. Now you have a slide deck ready for added bullet points, descriptions, animations, graphics, etc. This is where you use your creative skills. Ready to try something for real? Let's dive in. At the prompt, I'll enter, create an outline listing the steps needed to build a bicycle. ChatGPT returns a lot of information here, just like that. Wow! Look at the detail. Now I really want this in a slightly different format. Watch what happens if I ask for slide numbering. Pretty cool, right? But still not exactly what I want. I want numbered steps, but not the word slide. There. That's better. Now I will highlight the output, copy and paste it into a new Word document. Using Word, I'll format each slide title and bullet point with appropriate heading types for slide creation. At this stage, you can add a lot that will save you time down the road. Here's one example. You will notice that I split step 1 into 2 slides because it was long and it made sense to split it up between tools and materials. Once you do this a few times, you'll see what I mean. Some time spent at this outline level can really do some work for you. Okay, save the doc as an RTF file. Now in PowerPoint, I've created a new presentation, picked a design, and created my title slide. Find the option labeled Insert, then Slides from Outline in your version of PowerPoint and import your outline. You can see the results. It would have taken a long time to create all this from scratch. So, with a little practice, you can easily incorporate this AI tool to help you create your next presentation. We really hope this was helpful. For more information, please go to billnaylor.com and check out what we do. See you next time.